Island nations, coastal cities, shoreline communities, hundreds of millions of people are at risk from the rising tide if we do nothing. It's already a stark reality for people in Indonesia, where at least 42 million homes are under threat. The country's made the controversial decision to move its capital, Jakarta, to the Indonesian part of Borneo with its rich rainforests and unique wildlife. Now, that's a world first, but given the rising trend in emissions and global temperatures, it's unlikely to be the last. Well, to give you a sense of the scale of the ice melt, here are some of the big numbers. Let's start in Greenland, which had a record melt in August. On the other side of the globe, in Antarctica, the world's biggest ice sheet released 3 trillion metric tons of water over 25 years. That's enough to fill more than 1 billion Olympic-sized swimming pools. And the Thwaites Glacier, thought to pose the greatest risk for rapid sea level rise, well, in January, NASA researchers discovered an underwater cavity around 300 metres high, caused by the warming waters beneath it. As our oceans heat with the planet, the water also expands, and sea levels have risen more than 20 centimetres since the Industrial Revolution. Some leading ice scientists say that in a worst-case scenario, a rise of 3, even 5 degrees Celsius, sea levels could rise by as much as 2 metres by the end of this century, and that's well over my head. And that would swamp some island nations and coastal cities.